boys and girls. Today I'm going to read to you a book about birds. This book was written by Kevin Henkes and is illustrated by Laura Dronzek. Birds. In the morning, I hear birds singing through the open window. Birds can be yellow or red or even green, I think. Sometimes they're so black that you can't see their eyes or their feathers, just their shapes. Birds can be big, like this one, or little, like this one, or any size in between, like all these birds. Once, I saw 7 birds on the telephone wire. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They didn't move. And they didn't move. And they didn't move. I looked away for a second, and they flew away. If birds made marks with their tail feathers when they flew, I think that the sky would look like this. If clouds were birds, the sky would look like this, or this. Sometimes in winter, a bird in a tree looks like one red leaf left over right here. If there are lots of birds in one tree, they all fly away at the same time. It looks like the tree yelled, "Surprise!" So many birds. If I were a bird, I'd ask where all the birds go when it's stormy and they can't get home to their nests. I like to pretend that I'm a bird. I can't really fly, but I can do this. I can sing. Would you like to hear how birds sing? Well, watch my next video.
So, what made you choose this book?
I thought that this book would be perfect if I teach a unit on birds to kindergartners, as well as some of the math concepts. First of all, there is a lot of information about birds as far as their colors, their size, so the kindergartners can learn about shapes, art too. They can learn about different patterns, like here when they when the birds make marks with their tails in the sky, they could learn about patterns, so that would be a good idea. What's most important, and I thought it was great, was when learning about numbers, children can count the birds, and it would be perfect to introduce a concept of 0 when the birds fly away and there are no birds, and they can actually grasp the idea a little bit better and understand what is 0. So I thought it would be very good for teaching this concept children. I guess that's about it. There's a lot of other information that I cannot think about at the top of my head, but yes.
Well, thanks a lot. That was really informative.
Thank you.
Great story.
Thank you.